everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope you guys are having a great day. I have a Pandora unboxing today. It was a surprise bonus from the Disney 100 collection. There's only supposed to be 8 charms, so the last charm was Mickey for Disney 100 with Pandora diamonds. However, they had a bonus charm, so that nobody was expecting to get. So anyway, so I went to the Willowbrook Mall today and picked it up. All right, comes in a package like this, Pandora. All right, it comes with the Disney 100 authenticity card, which says Winnie the Pooh. It gives you all the information there. So if you're collecting these, you want to make sure that you get this is a hard copy for each one of your charms. So you should have a bracelet, 8 charms, plus this one is 9. And then you have, each one has this that comes with it. So if you go to the Pandora store and they don't give you this, make sure you ask. All right. And then you get your receipt. And then also every one comes with a sleeve that looks like this. It says Disney X Pandora. You kind of see it's kind of hard because it's iridescent. Then it will say Disney 100. You can kind of see there. And this is the sleeve that goes on your box. Okay. All right, and this is Winnie the Pooh. So let's go ahead and show you. All right, it comes in a little thing like this. It is Winnie the Pooh with this honey pot. And then it has the Pandora diamond in the honey pot with 14 karat gold. They're kind of hard to see. All right, so that's Winnie the Pooh. That's number 9 in the collection, and that should end the collection for Disney 100 for Pandora, featuring 14 karat gold, silver, and Pandora diamonds. And I'll leave a picture on Instagram as well, so make sure you follow me there, Susan Senior Style. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.